going to be doing a basically an unboxing. So this unboxing is from a brand that I have ordered from in the past, and actually I was just replacing this product, and I thought that would be helpful to kind of share with you what it is, why I like to use it, why it's important to me, and all of that great stuff. So for starters, like I said, I've used this brand before and I really like the results and how my hair turns out. So this is like a hair product unboxing. So I'm not sure if many of you have heard of the thermal hair care brand. Well, basically they have these hot head heat caps, which is for deep conditioning, and I just found that they have been like a game changer when it comes to like really revitalizing my curls, because I don't deep condition as often as I should, but these caps just make the process seamless. I can still get housework done, chores done, blogging done, all of that while deep conditioning, and I just really love that aspect of this cap. So like I said, I had an older one, right, and due to the fact that I probably didn't take care of it like I should, because I wore makeup sometimes when I was deep conditioning, so the rim of the cap was just dirty, and I was just like, you know, can't really wash it, you can only spot clean it. So I was like, let me just order me another one. So that's what I did. So I ordered this one, and I believe this one is a limited edition cap. So I'm just going to take it out so you can kind of see, and this is the adult size. And this time your girl was smart and decided to get a cap that had a black rim to it. So this is the cap, and it's kind of like a little mushroom. It's stretchy. You got the fabric. And I really just love the quality and the design of these caps. Like literally I've had mine for probably, oh my gosh, like I know at least a couple of years, my older one. So I thought it was time for an upgrade. And then it's reversible. So, I mean, if you wanted to wear it the other way out, but you really don't need to, because when you're using these caps, you want to make sure that you're using a shower cap underneath it. So you'll place a shower cap on, you'll plop this on top, and I know my hair is done, and you deep condition, honey, just like this. You can walk around the house, do what you need to do, get some work done, all while deep conditioning. So I'm going to review really quickly some of the things and directions about the cap that may be helpful for you in deciding whether or not you want one of these for your hair. I also purchased one for my daughter, and only because now, like, she's 5, and I feel like now is the time to really start getting into that routine. I know some moms do it a lot sooner than that. I just never have, and I see now, like with her hair, her curl pattern is so different from mine, and I think that her hair will really benefit from deep conditioning, so I wanted to start that process with her early. So this is the one I got for her. I think it's so cute. It's like little cupcakes, and it's pink because she is a girly girl, and I just love like the print on there. And then, of course, it's like the pink terry cloth on the inside. Like I said, it's stretchy, you know, so it can kind of fit on her head. And it's really not that big. So it's going to be interesting to kind of see how this works for her. So I'm really excited. So the same process would apply, you know, put a shower cap on underneath it, and then put it on and let her deep condition. So we may do like a mommy and daughter like deep conditioning night. If that's something that you want to see, make sure that you let me know, because I'll be more than happy to share that for you. So her cap is called Little Hot Head, and mine is just the Hot Head heat cap. So of course they send a little instruction manual in here. This was the Just for Kids. It has all of the instructions on the back there, and I would be more than happy to share that with you guys if you want to know a little bit more about it. It has it all lined out for you. So you don't want to immerse it in water. As I said, you have to spot clean it. The reason why I upgraded mine to the black rim instead of like a light colored rim, because it's really difficult to get it clean, especially if you got makeup on. Yeah, that's me. And they say for the best results, you want to have the cap on for at least 20 to 30 minutes. And but of course you can reheat the cap, you know, if you need a longer deep condition treatment. Let's see here. Of course, once you're finished deep conditioning, you want to let your hair cool down a little bit and then rinse with cold water. You want to style it as usual. Okay, so as far as the process is concerned, I don't want to like bombard you with it. I kind of want to just really show you the product and give you the reason why I'm using one and why I have decided to use one for my daughter. But if you want to see a full deep conditioning video, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to take you through that entire process from, you know, washing my hair, putting in the product, placing the cap in the microwave, turning the microwave on, sitting with the cap on, and then showing you the final results of that. So if that's something you want to see, please let me know. Put that down in the comments box below, or just vote yes or no if there's something that you want to see. So yeah, I'm really excited because I'm loving this pattern, and I just really like the fact that it has a black rim. And I won't worry about, you know, getting it dirty. So I will leave a link for you guys if you're interested. Like I said, I purchased these with my own money. This is a brand that I really love and enjoy using their products. I just love the quality of their caps. And a lot of people have asked me in the past with the previous video that I had done was like, what is in the cap? And so there's flax seeds that are in here. So it's kind of heavy. It's like it's a heavy cap, but it's flax seeds that is like sewn into the cap to kind of help retain that heat while you have this shower cap on underneath it. But y'all, I love this thing. Like, I really love it. So anywho, that's it. I'm not sure like if this is something that you've ever heard of before, if you're interested in it, but that's a little bit of information about it. And like I said, let me know if you would like to see a full deep conditioning process. I'm definitely going to film a video using my daughter and that process, because it's going to be kind of like my first time doing one on her. So I just want to see what those results are going to look like. And then hopefully I'll have a video to compare it to, because I'm going to be shooting more hair videos with her and as well as myself. So if that's something you want to see, just let your girls know. All right, guys, so that's it. Like I said, let me know if there's something you want to see a little bit more about, learn a little bit more about, and I'll be more than happy to share that with you. And until next time, bye.